Come take a look at this 2010 Dodge Ram 3500. Carfax has certified this Ram 3500 as having one owner. This Ram 3500 has just under 45,000 miles. For your protection, this vehicle has a factory warranty. This Ram 3500 boasts a 6.7-liter inline-six engine and has a 6-speed automatic transmission. Another great feature is that this vehicle uses diesel. Additional options for this vehicle include the 2FG SLT Customer Preferred Order Selection Package, Luxury Group, Bighorn Regional Package, 6-speed automatic transmission with odd 3.73 rear axle ratio, dark slate medium greystone, cloth 40/20/40 split bench seat, 50 state emissions, deep water blue pearl and a remote start system. Call 888-904-1295 or email our friendly sales staff today to schedule a test drive.